So this looks like my current setup. The bed is there, pillow on the seat to make it more comfortable. This thing they gave us for, when we start losing the blood and all the goo. I've got one towel underneath. Actually, I've got two towels. There's a white towel under that one as well. So I'm going to see if I can work that out somehow. Wish me luck. Okay, so this is how I think I'm going to sleep. My legs are on the bed. My ass is on the seat. I've got that behind. I'm also filming so I can see what I'm actually leaning against. It's painful. But it's the best I can do. I tried other things, didn't work out. I might actually get this to work. So hopefully my arm can reach the button to turn that light off. Yeah. Nighty night. Okay, it's 8 o'clock in the morning. Just woken up. So I went to sleep. I finally fell asleep at about 3, I believe. So a nice 5 hours sleep. I had to change setup. I tried many times my setup over there, which was not working out at all. So eventually just slept on the bed this way instead of that way. And to get my shoulders up, I had pillow 1, pillow 2. I put the thing to not stain anything there. Looks like I should have put it there, which now totally makes sense. But to actually position this nicely on the back of my head with that on top would have been a whole other aggravation. And not too bad really. Yeah, you can see there's just a little bit of so sorry hotel, I'm very sorry about that. I've messed up the towel, but I'm sure they're used to it. As in this hotel, there is like nothing but guys with hair transplants going on. I'm going to now see if I can have another lie down. I'll keep you updated. Well, not too bad actually, 5 hours sleep. There's not much blood and stuff coming out from my bandage, so that's quite good. I mean, there's a bit of liquid, of fluid, but compared to what I've seen on YouTube and other people, I've got basically nothing. Now, what does that mean? Does that mean I've healed really fast, or does it mean I haven't actually gone through that phase yet? I don't know. I mean, I'm stiff all over this morning. My shoulders are aching. My head, my neck's aching, and the head just kind of feels tight. I wouldn't say it's necessarily painful, but then I might just be getting used to it as well. Yeah, I mean the head is, it's not like way all good, perfect, but it's not like last night. There's a lot less pain in the head. Yeah, so I'm curious to meet up with the other guys whenever they wake up. You know, I'm the last to go to sleep and I'm the first one up. That's how I do it. So I'm looking forward to meeting them and basically comparing bandages to see, you know, how similar they look. Because I saw on YouTube some guys look like, you know, blood had gone completely through the bandage and like loads and loads of it. And there's basically nothing on mine. So yeah, I do wonder what the hell's going on. And I need to phone up my contact to find out when are we going back in. So when I remove the headband, you can see how swollen that is. Yep.